A closed Cleo support ticket doesn't always mean your issue has been fully resolved. Sometimes a case is closed because support believes the request is complete, they're waiting for more information, or no further action can be taken until you respond. By the end of this video, you'll know why Cleo tickets get closed, and how to continue getting help if your problem still exists. Start by reading the final message in your support conversation. Cleo's support team may explain exactly why the ticket was closed, and include instructions you still need to complete. You might be asked to verify your account, provide additional details, or complete a troubleshooting step before the investigation can continue. If your problem hasn't been fixed, check whether you can reply directly to the original support email or conversation. Many support systems allow responses to closed tickets, which may reopen the case or create a follow-up request connected to your previous conversation. That gives the support team access to your existing history instead of starting over. When you contact Cleo again, include everything needed in one message. Provide the email address associated with your account. Explain the original issue. Mention that the previous ticket was closed before the problem was resolved. And attach screenshots of any error messages if they're available. Clear information helps support understand your situation more quickly. If your issue involves account access, subscription billing, cash advances, verification, or another account-specific feature, explain exactly what happened and when it happened. Also mention any troubleshooting steps you've already completed. That reduces unnecessary back and forth, and helps support focus on the remaining problem. Before submitting another request, make sure you're using the latest version of the Cleo app. Installing available updates and restarting your device can resolve certain technical issues without additional assistance. If you've already completed those steps, include that information when contacting support. Avoid creating multiple support tickets for the same issue. Sending several requests about the same problem can slow the process, because different support agents may receive different parts of the conversation. Continuing with one support thread is usually the fastest approach. If you don't receive another reply after a reasonable waiting period, submit a new request through Cleo's official support channel. If you still have the previous ticket number or reference, include it in your message so the support team can review the earlier conversation while handling your new request. The key takeaway is simple. A closed Cleo support ticket doesn't necessarily mean your issue is over. Review the final response. Provide any missing information, and contact support again if the problem remains unresolved. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Cleo tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and account guides.